In today's video, I want to give my utmost appreciation and gratitude for the art of journaling, the art of writing, the art of expressing your heart, the time in which you reside in mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, energetically, financially, any space that you are residing in, you writing it down, revealing that on a piece of paper so you can always look back on it and reflect. I want to give a complete standing ovation, round of applause for those of you and I who journal consistently. So I have an in-depth video on a Patreon I want you guys to really check out. Link in the description. But these journals right here, have gotten me through the darkest depths of my soul throughout high school. This is 6+ years of writing. 6+ years. I still have tears smeared on the ink in these pages. Through high school, through heartbreak, through breakups, basketball, family situations, headaches, heartaches, backaches, anything that was aching or anything that was aging, well or worse, I wrote about it. I wrote it down. These journals have gotten me through some of the strangest, most egregious moments in my life. And if I didn't write about it, because I'm not a big therapy person, I have my form of therapy in different ways, right? But paying somebody to talk about your situation doesn't really kind of go well with, sometimes you got to pay for what you need to, but that my mind may change, right? This was my way of, we can say, therapizing. Yeah, this is my way of therapizing with myself. Find a way to therapize with oneself without actually going to therapy. This was it. This is it. Still to this day. My other journal is sitting over there. So along these moments, I was a black ink writer. Still am. But in some of these journals, I was writing with blue ink. Now, blue is my favorite color. And so I reverted back to that time. Why did I change up? Or what made me change up my mode, my energy from black ink to blue ink? Now, it's something very little, very minute. But during that moment, that was when I was reaching my most happiest moments. I was in a tunnel driving, and I didn't have that much gas left. So I thought, but I just kept driving aimlessly, crying, blind, scared, afraid, alone, lonely, by myself. Little to no money, resources, phone died, no charger. And then I see a light. I see a lamp. I see a bulb. I see something that is different from what I'm used to seeing, which is darkness. I got excited about that. And in that moment, I reverted back to that time when I was writing with blue ink, and I was transforming into my happier, higher vibrational self. That was something very small. But I just want to give my, round of applause, standing ovation to the art of writing. Writing your thoughts, writing your feelings, writing your day, writing your emotions, writing your reflections, your disappointments, your distractions, your procrastinations. What time of the day do you normally procrastinate the most? Write about that. Write about that for 5 days. And if you're still doing that same, if you go about that same lifestyle on day 6, there's no video, there's no podcast, there's no role model that can come to you in your dream in real life and say, hey, you need to wake the fuck up. It's on you. And this is what I've learned from writing. And I've gotten so better, so much better at being concise with my wording to people, with my communication. My communication style is so much stronger. It's so much more impactful. And guess what? I'm saying less. I'm saying more with nonverbals, but I'm saying less from my mouth, which is more important, which is more valuable. Y'all know people have a short attention span now. They're not going to listen to a whole thought out research story and essay. They're going to listen to your nonverbals, how you look, how you smell, your hair, your haircut, and your teeth. They're going to see them things, your body language, and you pause. And they're going to listen to that 1 minute cliff note explanation of their story. That's what they want. That's what they want, and that's what they need. Now, are they going to pass the full test of life by just reading the cliff notes? Absolutely not. There are multiple different secrets that you need to unlock for you. I had to unlock them, and I'm unlocking new ones every day. But journaling has helped me and transformed my mind, my thought process, my psyche, my communication, my financial status tremendously. And I'm still doing it to this day. I am writing like I am in third person. I'm writing to myself, acting as if I don't know myself. Do you know how transformative that is? To write to yourself like you are a random person that you met, and you just keep reading, you just keep meeting them over and over every single day. I don't know if you ever played Supermarket Simulator, a lot of simulator games, but Supermarket Simulator, for example, you are able to buy, once you level up, you are able to buy a helper, another cashier. Now, this cashier doesn't talk, cashier doesn't say anything, doesn't even move, barely even blinks. Actually, doesn't blink. Those who played the game, you know. But they're always there. They're always there watching. They're always there observing. So once you get to a certain level, you are re-meeting this person every single day. And that person is you. You are the new cashier. Coming to work every day. Every day. Same clothes, same attire, same cologne, same haircut, same lotion, same toothpaste, same toothbrush, same car, same vehicle. You use the same resources to get to where you need to be, but your lifestyle took you in a different place that you didn't mean to be. So the more you write, the more you journal, and the more you read over your journals, the more clear and concise your pathway becomes to success. But only by definition of your own. So keep writing and remain simple.